Hello guys, welcome back to the Latin Cyber. Today I'm gonna show you how you can download OWASP virtual machine. That's a vulnerable machine that we're gonna use for practice penetration testing. So let's go. Now go OWASP. Okay, it's right here. Click here. Sort. And clean download. This is ready down over here. So now we're done already. So we're gonna go to File Explorer to the download area here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna extract the content, extract information, right? It's extracting. Okay. I'm gonna click extract. Let me see where it's gonna be. Okay, it's gonna extract it. Extract. So just wait. How many gigabyte? 5.88 gigabyte. So we're gonna go to download. I'm gonna send the name because I already have installed. Send the name. So, okay, I'm going inside forwarding. So now when I install it, so now go to the virtual box. That's the are really important. So if you don't follow that step, you won't be able to install. We're gonna clean. So now in virtual box, we're gonna create a virtual machine. I'm gonna call OS. So two. We're gonna select Linux. Here we're gonna select other. Okay, now yes. Set up. Good. Yes, good. Specify. So when I select here, use a system virtual hard. Click. When I click here in that forwarding, when I click and add, we're gonna go to what was the name we call? Or okay, or look, what was the name that we called it? So okay, so my bad. We had to build it to it. Now yes. So we had to select that one. The last one. We click, open. We choose, click and choose, finish, and so now we have setting. Click setting. We're gonna change to the network. I'm gonna change to bridge adapter. When I click OK, I'm gonna click start. Uh, right here, you can see the process. So now here, now we had to, I don't know if you can see here, that's the username roof, and the passwords are OA and BWA. I click the name roof, passwords are OAS BWA. So that's the our IP address. Let me show you something. So we're gonna use that IP address and the virtual PC, but it's not recommended. So just for show, I'll show you guys that it is what's 252? Okay, we that's the inside the server, so the virtual machine. All these things about vulnerable, we're gonna for our penetration testing videos, we're gonna use how to penetrate that. So go back to the virtual machine. Okay. So guys, that's it for this video. Guys, remember the best way you can support me is subscribing and like, and stay tuned.